Muri is a Japanese term meaning overburden or unreasonable. We are going to see with the help of examples so you'll understand it clearly. It is one of the three types of waste. So we are having three types of waste mainly: Muda, Mura and Muri, which is used in the Toyota production system. So let's understand. You create a Muri every time when you put your team under stress by demanding unreasonable or unnecessary work that exceeds their capacity. So the overburden or unreasonable is the word which is indicating Muri. Okay, so let's go into the detail. So let's take an example of this football team. If you only put the whole pressure on three players of the team because they are the very good players and they are working very efficiently, but if they are continuously working, then after some period of time they will be going to injure, and then the whole team will be struggle to get the perform. So you need to be careful while trying to use the full capacity of your team, right? So this is indication of the Muri. So it's overburden. Now if you talk about the Mura, Mura is a waste of unevenness and inconsistency. So it can be the combination of overburdening and underutilizing. We'll see with the help of example. Then Muda is nothing but the 8 types of waste which is indicated by the acronym downtime. So this stands for defects, overproduction, waiting, non-utilized talent, transportation, inventory, motion and extra processing. So what is defects? So whatever the effects whatever the efforts we need to put due to some kind of rework, some kind of repeat information or some kind of scrap, these all kind of efforts is called as a defects. Overproduction is talking about production of the items or the product which is not needed or more than needed by the customer. Waiting is talking about the wasted time while waiting for the next step in a process. Non-utilized talent is talking about underutilizing knowledge of the people, skills of the people, their talents, their time. So this all comes under the non-utilized talent. Transportation is talking about unnecessary movement of the product and material, whereas motion is talking about unnecessary movement of the people. So there is a difference between transportation. So transportation is talking about unnecessary movement of product and material. Motion is also talking about the unnecessary movement but by the people. Inventory is talking about excess product and materials which are going to be processed, and it is basically blocks your money when we are having the higher inventory. And extra processing is talking about more work or higher quality than which is required by the customer. Then if you see Mura, Muri and Muda at a glance, you can see this example which is indicating the first Muda. You can see here is a bucket and which is having the leakage, and this people is continuously pouring the liquid into it and this is going out of it. This is a Muda. It's a totally waste. Then Mura is talking about unevenness. So this person is carrying two buckets, one is having full of water but it's a big bucket and another is a small bucket, so it's unevenness. And Muri is talking about the combination of these two. Muri is talking about the overburden. So the capacity of these people is to carry the 2 buckets, now he is carrying the 4 buckets. So this is the Muri. Now let's take another example. You need to transfer the 6 tons of load to the customer, and the capacity of this truck is 3 tons. Now if you are loaded entire 6 ton on the single truck and you are completed this in the one trip, so this is called as a overburden. That's a Muri. Now what is Mura? Mura is talking about unevenness, that you are transferring this 6 ton in 2 trips, but in the first trip you are loading 4 ton and in second trip you are loading 2 ton. So this is Mura, unevenness, fluctuation or variation. Now the third is a waste. Now the capacity of the truck is 3 ton, but you are having 3 trips of 2 metric ton in each trip. So it's a 2 ton, 2 ton and 2 ton. So this is a Muda or waste. Now if you transport this 6 ton of material in 2 trips with 3 metric ton in a one truck, then there is no Mura, no Muri and no Muda. Please like this video if you have found it useful, add your valuable comments and share this video to your friends and colleagues to improve and refresh their knowledge. If you want to get updates of such videos from my channel, please do not forget to subscribe it and click on the bell icon and select to get all notifications. And finally, thank you for watching.